Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to change profile picture in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you'll need to do is of course log into your Google account, then click your profile here and then click manage your Google account. It will lead you to this page, which is your Google account page. Next is click personal info. Then we can see here your basic info and click this photo, add a photo to personalize your account. Click add profile picture. As you can see, Google also offers a lot of on-app pictures that you can use, but you can also use from your computer. As you can see, it has a lot of pre-uploaded pictures. From my computer, you can drag the photo here, take a picture, or upload it. So what I'll be doing is upload from my computer, and then open, and as you can see, it is now uploading the photo. It will make you crop and rotate the photo. You can either choose it like this one if you want to smile only, or you can also change it however you like. Like for example, I want it to look like that. You can also rotate this one, and yeah. If you're done and okay with how your photo turned out here in crop and rotate, just click save as profile picture. Then wait. And as you can see, the profile picture will update soon. It could take a day or two to see the change across all your Google services or your Google account. But even though they say that it will take a day or two, we can now see that the profile picture is now updated. Let's try refreshing our Gmail account and see if it is right there. Yes, it is now changed to the profile picture that we picked. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please leave it a like, comment down below, and share it to your friends. You can also subscribe and check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!